Hello everyone, this is Mr. Olson. Today I'm going to show you how to use the hole feature in Autodesk Inventor. If you look up in the ribbon, the hole feature is located right here. Now before we go use the hole feature, you need to start a 2D sketch just like you would for any other shape that you do in Autodesk Inventor. So I'm going to move over and click on Start 2D Sketch. I'm going to click the face that I want to work on. So I'm going to work on the top of this 5x5x5 cube. Okay, so I want to create a hole that's going to be right in the middle of my object. So in order to create a hole, I'm going to use the point tool first, located right here in the ribbon. I'm going to click on point tool and I'm going to come over and I'm going to click about the middle of the cube where I think the middle is. Okay, you're going to see that that point is now there. So I'm going to hit escape so I don't create another point. Now from here I have to dimension where this is first before I create the hole. So to get it centered, I'm going to use my dimension tool. So from the top to the point is 2.5 since my entire side here is 5. And then from the side to the point is also 2.5. So that's going to put it right in the middle of my cube. When I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and finish my sketch. Okay, and now I'm ready to use my hole feature. So I'm going to click on the hole button. Now you're going to notice once I click on the hole button, it is going to recognize that that point was there, and it knows that I'm going to want to put the hole on that point. Now there's a couple options when you're dealing with the hole feature. If you scroll over them, you can see what those options are. So this is a drilled option. That's just your basic hole. And then right below it is the counter bore, which is actually a really common one as well. The reason we use a counter bore is so the top of the screw is underneath the surface of our object, and so that can hide a screw so it doesn't stick out. So I'm going to just show you the counter bore feature. I'm going to click on counter bore. Okay, you're going to see I have a lot of different options for my dimensions. This is the diameter of the screw head. This is the depth of the screw head. This is going to be the hole depth. And then this is going to be the diameter of the hole. Okay, so when you are doing this, you can select what size you want all that to be. So I can just show you if I change this to 0.5, you'll notice that this opens up a little bit more. 0.25 I'm going to leave the same, and maybe I want my hole to be 3 inches. Okay, when I'm done, I'm going to click on OK, and that's going to create the hole. Now if you want the hole to go all the way through, for the termination, you just want to make sure you use through all. But I do want it to be a distance of 3 inches, so I'm going to leave it at distance, and I'm going to hit OK. And there I have my hole. It's a counter bore hole that's going to hide the top of my screw head.